Welcome to Prompting Artifacts, the master guide to deep prompting with NotebookLM. We will explore detailed prompts for enhanced output. We are experiencing a paradigm shift from native to non-native artifacts. Native artifacts are generic summaries, like a microwave. Non-native artifacts are high-signal assets from coercing the model, like a, quote, professional kitchen. This video will focus on advanced techniques, or prompting artifacts, to help you master deep prompting within NotebookLM. Let's explore pedagogical tools. The Socratic tutor pushes the system into a teaching role to test knowledge. The fill-in-the-blank tool creates a worksheet focusing on key vocabulary and definitions. Next are deep thinking frameworks. The dialectical lens constructs debates between scholars to explore opposing interpretations. The fragmented mirror decomposes ideas across emotional, philosophical, and social lenses. Analytical artifacts are used for deep scrutiny of the source material. These prompts are designed for identifying gaps, contradictions, and temporal shifts in the text. Our research accelerators include the Gap Hunter, which identifies methodological, theoretical, and empirical research gaps. The Contradiction Finder pinpoints conflicting findings and suggests resolution evidence. For pattern recognition, trend detection analyzes trends over time, their frequency, and trajectory. The Spiderweb Perspective maps concepts linked to a core idea, grouping them under different headings. Creative artifacts focus on shifting source material into entirely different creative mediums, unlocking new ways to interact with the content. These transformative prompts include the graphic novel script, which turns text into a visual script with detailed panel descriptions. The Weird Examples Extractor finds the strangest, funniest, or most surprising outliers in the sources. Strategic artifacts provide actionable frameworks for decision-making. They help translate complex information into tangible, useful formats. In business intelligence, the SWOT analysis extracts quantitative data to populate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The strategic decision memo synthesizes user evidence, feasibility checks, and blind spots. Here is an example of a fill-in-the-blanks worksheet, demonstrating how key concepts and terminology are turned into an interactive learning tool. This image summarizes 18 bizarre and brilliant AI hacks and artifacts you can create using deep prompting in NotebookLM, ranging from creative storytelling to abstract analysis. Thank you for watching this video on prompting artifacts. I hope this guide helps you in your deep prompting endeavors with NotebookLM.